good vantage point of the layout. Getting it back together. Get the buildings up. Some detailing. A lot more work to do, but we're making progress. You can see here that the overpass needs to continue on, but that's got to have some work done to it. Phone lines, power lines need to be restrung. But yeah, happy with the way it came out. I painted the backdrop a Sherwin-Williams Misty, I think it's called. It's kind of a blue-gray, which represents a good hazy New England day. So yeah, we're gonna get things running here shortly. The putting that backdrop added 0.03 of an inch, and believe it or not, some of these buildings that actually pushed them out enough to get them too close to the rolling stock. So I need to probably sand off the back of the buildings a bit so they can set back. It only happened to the food plant here and that cold storage facility I just showed you. So we get all the lighting hooked up anyway, inside there. On the outsides of the buildings, the street lights, inside the P&W office, some loading bay lights here and over here, and various other lights. Kind of finish up that track there. And then finally finish the extension up. That's it for now. Have a good week. Cheers.